Hey guys, welcome back to Premier Auto Detailing here in Kingman, Arizona. Today I wanted to make a short video and show you guys how to clean your WeatherTech style floor mats with just the DIY Detail Interior Clean and Protect and your drill brush. Super simple, easy process. It doesn't get much easier than this. Just spray some product down, grab your drill, and go ahead and get after it. This works on, kind of light to medium soiled mats. If it's something super heavy, you're probably going to have to get some cleaner in there first to break it up a little more, and then you can follow this up as a second step. But if they're not too bad, this is a super fast and easy way to get your mats clean and protected. They also will not be exceptionally slick. You don't have to worry about them, being like a fall hazard or, too slippery for anyone if their shoes are wet or anything like that. So works really well, but it does give them some nice natural shine back and protects them for the future. It makes them easier to clean the next time you do it. If you don't have a drill brush, you can actually just use a normal, like a scrub brush or a soft-haired boar's hair brush, something like that, any kind of a detail brush. Just the drill makes it much faster and easier. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Please like and subscribe.